Cast is a wireless casting application that is built into your panel. Newline Cast allows up to 4 different devices to cast at one time. These devices can be Windows devices, MacBooks, Chromebooks, tablets, or even phones. Newline Cast is also a cloud-based solution, so it doesn't require that the device and the panel be on the same network. To allow for up to 4 devices to cast onto the panel at once, you'll start by activating moderator mode. To do this, you'll select Settings. Then select Moderator. From here, turn moderator mode on. Once you have turned on moderator mode, you will see that there is a label of Grid View on the right-hand side. Now, to demonstrate this, I am going to connect a Chromebook and a Windows laptop to Newline Cast. I will start by visiting the Display Node app on my Windows laptop. From there, I will enter in the session ID. I will also enter in a device name and select Connect. From my Chromebook, I have decided to use the URL and enter in the session ID. Now you can see that I have 2 devices listed on my panel. To allow for both of those to cast, I'm going to select Grid View. Then select Invite. From the devices that are trying to cast, I'm going to accept that I'd like to share my screen. Now you can see that I have 2 devices casting at one time, both a Chromebook and a Windows laptop. Now to enlarge the view of a certain device, at the top right-hand corner you will see an expand button. If you touch on that, that will make the device full screen. You can then also select the X, and that will remove the device from Newline Cast and give you the ability to add another device if you would like. This is an overview of Newline Cast and the ability for up to 4 devices to cast at one time.